I have 3 kids, 1 baby mama. Thank you very much. That's a damn shame it's plausible, but I'll take it. My kids are black, white, and Indian mix, so they all fucked up. My son, he want to open a casino now. I'm like, hold on, Tato. Let's steal some land first. My daughter is crazy. I got an 11-year-old daughter. She a little nut. I think she's crazy. I think it's because I'm getting a divorce at 17 years. Most of her life she's had a mom. I think it's mom. I think she's trying to get a little more attention and shit. Understandable, but she's going a little too far. My kids, when they come to me with issues, it's always while I'm drinking. And I drank 151 and Coke. Yeah, that'll make you put back shit you didn't even steal. 3 washing machines during this shit. She was like, Daddy, can I talk to you for a minute? I was like, yeah, baby, what's wrong? She said, true story. I hear things that aren't there. I said, for real? She said, yeah. I said, dang. She said, Daddy, I see people that aren't there. I said, for real? You just see random people just standing there out of nowhere. They just be loitering, hanging out. She was like, yeah. I said, dang. She was like, Daddy, I don't know what to do. What should I do? I said, why don't you tell them how you clean your room up? You said they were just standing around alone. Be proactive. I don't know what the fuck to do. Go ask your mama.